हेलो हेलो वेलकम बैक टू जस्ट किडिंग विद सिड। ऐसे बहुत कम कॉन्वर्सेशंस होते हैं जहाँ पे मैं दिल से अंदर से खुश होता हूँ और आज वो दिन है। वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट सुशांत देवकीकर।
Namaskar, Namaste, and Namasle.
We also have Sneha. Last time स्नेहा ने तबाही मचाई थी, आपने सबको बावला बना दिया है।
Currently, I'm learning Hindustani classical under Padma Guru, Padma Vadkar ji.
Wow.
I can sing in English, I can sing in Hindi, Bengali, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam,
मराठी।
चिंबोली मिझाले राया सोडा ततरी कळवेळ नाही बरे पुन्हा भेटू कवतरी सजना मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आता वाजले की 12.
Why are you crying? It's fine, it's fine.
अभी नीचे कमेंट्स आएंगे पापा की परी स्कूटी से गिरी।
अभी मैं सबकी रिएक्शन देखूंगा बस।
हो आई मैं तो आई नजारों के अनजाने एक जहां से नाना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना परी है तू. I've been relevant for 18 years
Yeah.
in an industry where if it was somebody else they would have been like नहीं हमें काम नहीं मिल रहा हमें काम नहीं मिल रहा. There is a difference in being alone and feeling lonely. अरे देख दोन कानाखाली द्यायची मी मला हात लावलं ना मी हात तोडायची. I would not wait for anybody to come and rescue me. I in college in Mitiba I was part of the anti-ragging squad. People would not expect me पण असं मी मारायची लोकांना because around me you're going to touch a girl, boy, trans. That trauma is going to live with them forever even if you say sorry 200 times. Before that only I'll break your hand. We feel that men should protect us. Should protect us from who? Men only, na? If you come at my way, I will destroy you. If something happens to you like that, somebody gropes you, माझ्या मुलांना, माझ्या बहिणींना, माझ्या भावांना तुम्ही हात लावून दाखवा. मी मारणार. My one leg fell in that gap. There have been people getting in that train. I'm in the middle. Like they stepped on my hand and gone. There was this Kinnar. There was this trans woman. Very emotional.
You should not judge art on the basis of gender.
लोग क्या कहेंगे या फिर लोग क्या कहेंगे.
I think there is a portion of men who are afraid of having conversations with someone from the community just because they think that they will be judged if I say something wrong.
If you have abused your child, if you have caused any trauma to your own child, you are the most unfortunate.
When you start doing things, people criticize you, but when you are successful, they'll come back to you. अरे मुझे तो पता था you will do that.
कमेंट सेक्शन में देखा है कि हमें गाली तो देनी है बट बहुत टैलेंटेड है. And I will always love you, darling, I love you.
Can you please sing बीड़ी जलाई?
बीड़ी जलाइले जिगर से पिया जिगर माँ बड़ी आग है डंग डिंग डिंग डंग डिंग डिंग डंग डिंग डिंग. मैं पता है कि डायरेक्टर को क्या बोलूं.
अजय अतुल मला काम दे ना प्लीज.
Okay, let's go. Hello. Welcome back to Just Kidding with Sid. I'm your host. I'm your dear friend Sadesh. You can see a lot of light gazing around, twirling around me. And there's a very specific reason. Because ऐसे बहुत कम conversations होते हैं जहाँ पे मैं दिल से अंदर से खुश होता हूँ. और आज वो दिन है. I remember a few years ago, I stumbled upon this very one clip on YouTube. I won't be precise about that clip, but there was this particular person being extremely blunt and vocal and expressive about their personality, their choices. And from that very moment, the very, very moment, I have seen nothing but authentic growth in terms of personality, in terms of artist, in terms of tonality of opinions, and not just that, the way they carry themselves. And it's my honor, it's my privilege, it's my sheer privilege to be here, to be sitting here with one of the most unbelievable personalities in terms of not just internet, but also in human life. welcome to the podcast, Sushant
Thank
Devkikar.
Thank you.
How are
Thank
you?
so much. Babri, I was like, who are you introducing? That's a fantastic introduction. And I couldn't believe it was me. माझ्यासाठी होतं हे. And namaskar, namaste, and namasle.
Namaste. Let's
Yes.
go.
Namasle. Yeah.
Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah. Sorry, not sorry.
sorry.
Always.
Always.
Sorry for the win. Always. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Never.
Never. It's never.
Always.
It's
There's always time somewhere for a sorry.
But
It's very easy to drape. This is the first thing I want to tell people is that ये जो misconceptions होती हैं कि sari is uncomfortable, sari is this, sari is very easy, sari is very breezy. Sari is the most amazing garment and the most you look the most poised and most beautiful in a sari.
yeah.
And I think that ये जो सारी misconceptions होती हैं, I think it's and earlier when we were speaking, capitalism, it is a product of.
Yeah.
So I think because people want to shove so many things down our throat and our minds and our systems that this is, oh my god, this is old school, this is like not fashionable.
Yeah.
A sari is not fashionable. I don't think anybody stands a chance. Whenever you seen Rekha ji in a sari, who can stand a chance
You remember
when
the
she walks?
every award, the last award, the best actor, Rekha ji देती थी.
देती हैं.
देती है.
And I think that she's such a delight to watch.
Yeah.
Then whether it was Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Usha Uttup, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, you see some of the most powerful women have only and always worn saris. And not to say that if you wear any other garment that's wrong, but to say that the sari is wrong is wrong. And I think that I'm blessed to have had women in my family and around me. My biological mother, yes, but also my chosen mothers, the mothers who chose me within my transgender community. They all wear saris
Yeah.
and they look stunning. All our devis wear saris and they look stunning. Don't we worship Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, Kali? They look stunning, no? And I think that having said that, thank you for all the compliments. And it has been so long that I have been consuming very happily your content. And I am spellbound by your heart and by your kindness. तर मला असं खूप असं बरं वाटलं तुला असं भेटून.
Yeah.
बिकॉज नाहीतर फक्त स्क्रीनवर बघून मी थकलेली जरा. तर मी म्हटलं कसं भेटायचं ह्याला. अँड सॉरी आय एम स्पीकिंग इन आवर मदर टंग. सॉरी.
It's just the vibe. You're
You
understanding
understand
Marathi?
Marathi?
Wow,
Fantastic.
beautiful.
तर माझं हेच म्हणणं आहे की महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मराठी नाही बोललेत मग कुठे बोलायचं, कुठे जाऊन बोलू मी. तर मी महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मराठी बोलणार अँड फॉर एव्हरीबडी एल्स इंग्लिश, हिंदी
Yeah.
अँड 8 more languages, little
A little
सल्पा
of
सल्पा,
capture.
थोडं
Nice. Like, needless to say, it's not just me. आपने सबको बावला बना दिया है with your new song.
I see.
I am so freaking bamboozled with the kind of vibe you have created with that song.
Thank you.
I literally wanted someone like जैसे कोक स्टूडियो में वाइब आता है ना पाकिस्तानी सॉन्ग्स का, वैसे एक वाइब क्रिएट किया है. एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी दैट फाइनली यू आर there on the screen and creating that magic. And trust me, I listen to the song in my gym while I'm working out, and I'm not even kidding. And it still is one of the most underrated songs. So please listen to it.
Please listen to
Yeah.
it. And it is just recently trending now. And what I love most about that is we have been able to, as I say, modernity is not in the way you dress.
Yeah.
It's in your thoughts, in your experiences. And I think the most modern thing you can do is to go back to your roots and know that everything that we're trying to unlearn and relearn, life is a circle. So really where we started from as a culture we were very, very forward thinking. And yes, there were a lot of loopholes here and there, which we have now filled. But then trying to keep up with those loopholes and trying to, cover them and improve on those, we have forgotten some of our very basic primal instincts as Indians. And that's a little sad. That sometimes, gets me. Apart from that, मला असं कधी वाटलं नाही आहे की मी जेव्हा पॉप गाते, माझी गुरु उषा उत्तुप आहे, ठीक आहे, पण माझी गुरु सुनिधी चौहान पण आहे, सोना मोहापात्रा पण आहे, आणि आय लुक एट रिचा शर्मा ऑल्सो. So they, and currently I'm learning Hindustani classical under Padma Guru, Padma Wadkar ji.
Wow.
And so काय होतं की जितके तुम्ही स्टाईल्स शिकणार, it adds to your repertoire. So I can sing in English, I can sing in Hindi, Bengali, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, मराठी तो मी लास्ट बोलते, बिकॉज आपलंच कोंकणी आणि मराठी तर आपलीच म्हणजे हे आय टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड समटाइम्स, बट नेवर फॉर ग्रांटेड लाईक दॅट. नथणी मी कधी विसरत नाही. वेन यू हॅव एन एक्लेक्टिक मिक्स ऑफ डिफरंट जॉनर्स अँड डिफरंट इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स, इट ऑलवेज विल क्रिएट something that nobody has heard, and that is what will make the song work. So when we were doing this, Mikey told me that, do you think you can do, first we were trying to do, we're going to combine this with Punjabi folk.
Okay.
And then it was not working with the disco funk. So then we were like, what to do. And then he said, should we do Gujarati? So I said, no, someone has just done it recently. Then we said, should we do Marathi? Then I said that it'll be too obvious. And I want to do Marathi, but I don't want to do it for this song because I have plans. And
we are saving it for the...
I've already recorded two songs for a Marathi film.
Oh yeah, I saw the story.
Yeah. So I wanted that little pop and classical in semi-classical in this for this film.
Beautiful.
So I said no with vested interests, and then he suggested Rajasthani folk. And I was like, I can't. You have to be honest. See, one thing I don't like is that if you're greedy and if you're one person should not sing or do everything. You should designate work to other people because there are so many talented artists. Ata mi gaili asti na, if I would have sung that part, it would have not sounded as good. I would not sound even 2% of what the Khan brothers have done. Not even 2%. That 2% would have been basically if they would have even used auto-tune on us and used it to an extent where I would not sound like myself. Then what is the point of singing it?
And that song was completely live recorded.
Yes, all live recorded, right? So live vocals, they've done the instruments. Each instrument they have done, layered it, and then we've sung. So we've sung together some parts me and Mikey have recorded together, some parts the Khan brothers and Mikey have recorded together. So when that happens, I thought that now it sounds good. Abhi acha thoda acha sound kar raha hai. And I'm very critical about my own content. So I was like, theek hai. I was like, I sang it. Uske baad, then you have to forget about it. One thing is you do your best and leave the rest.
Yeah.
Don't expect. If I would have expected कि ये यहाँ पे choose होना चाहिए या यहाँ पर इस album में जाना चाहिए, इस film में जाना चाहिए, नहीं गया तो it's not the end of the world. Next day I had to go back to work na. I had to go and do my riyaz again next day. It's not like life ends there. So I don't expect anything.
So it was just a part of all the performances that you already do. So many times. I heard you for the first time live at Social Nation.
Yes.
If I'm not wrong. And you sang, I think, Sunidhi songs Was it Niyat?
No, I sang my song. I mean, mine and Sunidhi ma'am song, which was Pari Hu Main,
Yeah.
which is originally sung by Sunita Rao.
From Thank You for Coming.
The film, I acted also in that.
I know, I'm going to talk about that.
So that I sang that. Then I sang Jhoom 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 Baba. Oh no, I sang Rolling the Deep
Okay.
by Adele.
Okay.
And then I sang Apsara Ali.
Oh yeah, Apsara Ali.
Because how can I not sing Marathi?
You have created this very different recall, because whenever we think of Apsara Ali, we think about the main Natranka song. But right now you have given it a new shape, which is very different. And
Wow.
beautiful.
Eh? Acha? Really?
Oh yeah, by the way, we also have Sneha.
Yes, the star is actually her.
And जैसे last time Sneha ने तबाही मचाई थी when it comes to her perspectives on things in life. How are you, Sneha? How is life?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
I love it.
Love it. Trained. So,
To the point.
have you consumed Sushant's work, Rani's work?
Of course.
Of course. Which is the best thing that you love?
I think I love her cover of Apsara Ali. That's the best. I mean, like, I don't know how to express it, but my heart just cries. Like, how can someone sing so good? I'm like,
Your heart cried. I'm going to cry. It's so sweet. What a lovely child, yeah.
When you-
Didi, क्या आपने अप्सरा बनाई. Some others sitting here, every people will believe.
Yeah.
Oh, people think what Didi, who is she talking to? She herself is one Didi. No, but she's a real star. She's a star. God bless you. Lots of love for you. Lots of.
Sneha, like tell me something about your childhood, like a part of your childhood that you relate with when you're looking at Rani also. Like कहीं पे dots connect हो रहा है? Is there any relevance that you find? कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो तुम इंस्पायर हो जाते हो, और हाँ, ये जो क्वालिटी है ना, ये मेरे साथ अगर वहाँ होती तो मैं अप्लाई कर देती.
sometimes when I'm sitting, I think, like, she has struggled so much. Like,
That is something that you respond to, and how she came out of it in terms of journey. Why are you crying?
Shit, I'm not feeling.
It's fine, it's fine. Get us some water. Yeah. Can you get some?
Bye, काय?
भाई खूप टाइम लागतो तयार व्हायला.
Oh,
Water is right there.
Gunda's child, this is.
एक रुमाल दे दो.
Thank you.
Mom is right here, don't worry. I'm also here. What happened? What is happening?
Oh. Give
Yeah.
me your hand. Abhi bol. Don't cry.
It's completely fine. You're in the right place right now, comfortable space. You're feeling comfortable. Maybe that's why you're crying. That's good. That's fine. We all love it.
Yeah,
We all appreciate
cry,
it.
But if I cry, na, then I cry like one dying. That's why I'm saying, मुझे मत रुलाना.
आराम से. कुछ पिएगी? पक्का? Tell me, what have you learnt?
matlab, she never gives up. Like, she never gives up. She tries her best every time. Every time she performs, she tries her best. Like, 100% she will give, and then like, the one who has talent will always think कि यार मैं अच्छा नहीं करती. But other people, they are like, अरे मतलब क्या कर दिया तूने, like, क्या भाई slay. मतलब, like, when I see her singing Pari Hu Main, it's like I feel like I'm in heaven, like flying. Pari
So
Hu Main.
sweet.
That's what you learn, being very fearless, taking risks.
अभी नीचे कमेंट्स आएंगे पापा की परी स्कूटी से गिरी.
Do you see an ounce of you in her?
Yeah, I do. I wish and I hope that I had so much clarity
Yeah.
when I was younger. I hope, and I wish that this generation is as kind, as generous, and as empathetic, because a lot of us were. It's not to say that my generation wasn't, but we were not as aware. I think awareness is much more. And I don't remember at 11 making somebody who's 34, moving them with just one sentence, and so that just is, it just means that she's an old soul,
Yeah.
and she's got a very wonderful future ahead of her, and I'm going to be there as her Pari godmother, not fairy godmother. We're going to be Pari godmother for her. And next time when I'm singing, you have to be there. You want me to sing it now?
मेरे को कोई दे ही नहीं रहा
She's
है.
looking at she's looking at me like, I mean, okay, I'll sing it for her.
Yeah, perfect. That's why we are having this podcast, guys. When do we get this
A free
opportunity?
concert.
अभी मैं
concert.
सबके
A free
अभी मैं सबके रिएक्शन देखूंगा बस.
Okay, ready? You have to also sing with me.
I don't sing well.
That's okay. I don't even have to say आप मुंबई आ सकते
Can
हो.
hum.
आप मुंबई में ही हो.
तो दिल्ली जाओ.
हाँ?
तो
नहीं,
दिल्ली जाओ.
यहीं पे रहो. Ready? हो आई मैं तो आई नजारों के अनजाने एक जहां से, लाई मैं तो लाई बहारों के अफसाने भीगा से, ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना,
परी हूँ मैं.
परी है तू, तू मुझे न छूना, हो फूलों में जो नूर है. आई यूजुअली से रानी को ही नूर है. ओ, कोई तो ऐसा हो सांसों को मेरी महका जाए. हो आई मैं तो आई नजारों के अनजाने एक जहां से, लाई मैं तो लाई बहारों के अफसाने भी वहां से, ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना,
परी हूँ मैं.
परी हूँ मैं,
परी हूँ मैं.
मुझे न छूना. Fat.
Yes.
Very nice. अभी वरी में हूँ मैं.
खत्म हो गया guys,
Because
खत्म.
अगर मैं कुछ
खत्म.
गा लूँ तो
Dinesh, I'll make you also sing, don't worry.
अनसब्सक्राइब कर देंगे लोग.
नहीं, हम
वो मैं
और
नहीं
हम
गाना चाहती
आपसे भी
guys.
गवाएंगे. को देखिए,
Dare
गा
you.
सभी सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? गाना सभी को चाहिए.
हाँ.
वो अलग बात है कि आप स्टेज पे तो नहीं गा रहे ना. You are sitting here and singing so.
You know, I can sing. I don't mind.
Sing, yeah.
I
I
can.
don't want to name some people, but they can't sing for nuts. They can't sing to save their own life, but they are singing in the industry.
We won't believe until you take some names. No
तुझे
problem.
भेजती हूँ.
Okay, I'm expecting a WhatsApp text
Yes.
after this podcast. Do you
मैं गुमनाम नंबर से तुम्हें
चलेगा?
मैसेज करूँ.
Noted. Do you remember a part of your childhood when you felt miraculously alone?
Yeah, yes. I think that, but you know what? I'll be very honest. I'm not going to do any sob story here. I have, as she said, I have never, मैं ये नहीं दिखाऊंगी कि हाय ये जालिम दुनिया, उन्होंने मुझे ये नहीं दिया, वो नहीं दिया. नहीं, मेरे माँ बाप है मेरे साथ.
Yeah.
और उन्होंने मुझे शिक्षित किया है. आई एम अ डबल मास्टर्स इन साइकोलॉजी एंड आई एम अ टॉपर फ्रॉम मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी. And after that, I've done 4 post-graduation diplomas. So I'm not some bichari or bichara or whatever, please. I'm never going to write that story for myself. Yes, have I got there may have been opportunities that were meant for me that were not given to me because of the fact that I speak my mind. And I speak about my gender expression and that I belong to this community. You can't win them all, you know. But I will say that मैंने मेरा तिरंगा लहराया है बहुत सारे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्थलों पे और I don't have to please everybody. That's not my job. My job is, as I'm an artist, my job is to sing. If it pleases people, if it wins people's hearts, great. If it doesn't, that's also fine. I'm not saying you have to love me. You have to. No. But at the very base of it, there are so many things that I may not agree with about certain cultures, about certain people, about certain communities. I might not understand it, but I don't have to. If I don't follow a certain religion or a way of life, it's not because of anything else, but because I'm happy in my own. So I'm minding my own business. I don't have to interfere in somebody else's. So similarly, if you don't understand pronouns, if you don't understand gender, the difference between sex and gender, or dysphoria and expression, orientation, that's fine. It's okay. You don't have to. But don't tell me, because it's very dichotomous. Okay, they say you choose one gender, you go back to default settings. I lived 30 years in my default settings and I was acing it in life. Please understand that I've been relevant for 18 years
Yeah.
in an industry where if it was somebody else, they would have been like, नहीं हमें काम नहीं मिल रहा, हमें काम नहीं मिल मुझे जो भी काम मिलता है ना मैं उसको सेलिब्रेट करती हूँ. And I'm my biggest cheerleader. In a country of 1 billion people, more than 1 billion people, I have had the privilege of working with national award winners. I have been nominated for 2 national awards myself. I have won several accolades for this country, time and time again. Should I not be thankful for that? Or should I be just crying about what I didn't get? I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful for the opportunities I've got, for my family. The biggest gift, you know why I say I'm richer than anyone on this planet, whether it is whoever, I don't want to take names, but any of these families and their pushtani businesses, I am the richest because when I go back to 2 smiling faces, not just one, even if I've had the worst day of my life, I look at my parents' face and they're proud of me. Bas. That is my biggest accomplishment. So, when I was growing up, there was a sense of achievement in my being alone. I will not say loneliness. In my being alone, there is a difference in being alone and feeling lonely. And I enjoyed being alone.
And that's solitude.
Because look at me today.
Yeah.
But everybody who would want to make fun of me, do you know any of my classmates? No offense to them. They must have grown up and they must have more than half a brain working now to understand that judging somebody at that age, at such a tender age, or calling them names, abusing them, even trying to physically molest me, doesn't work. I was strong, physically strong. I'm 5'10", and I was always a strong child. I was the sports captain of my school. I was a national level swimmer. तरी देख 2 कानाखाली द्यायची मी. मला हात लावलं ना, मी हात तोडायची. I would not wait for anybody to come and rescue me. No.
And that was the case in the college.
That is what,
everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
In college in Mitiba, I was part of the anti-ragging squad, anti-bullying squad. So the people would not expect me. But असं मी मारायची लोकांना because, and I'm saying it openly also. And ज्यांचे दात फोडले आहेत मी, they deserve it. They deserved it at the moment. Because if around me you're going to touch a girl, you are going to make a girl, boy, trans, I don't care. You're going to make them feel uncomfortable. That trauma is going to live with them forever, even if you say sorry 200 times. Before that only, I'll break your hand. We're finished. Your hand will fix, her trauma won't.
Yeah. And that just because you're not mentally but also physically equipped enough to face
I
this challenge.
made myself equipped because I was a very dandy, lean kid.
Hmm.
तो लोकांना वाटायचं की मी मारणार तर त्यांना काही लागणार नाही.
Hmm.
पण माझ्या भावानी शिकवलेलं मला. माय ब्रदर हॅड टॉट मी. 5 लोक असेल तर काय करणार?
Hmm.
तिथे ऑन द स्पॉट you're not going to be able to what are you going to do? You have to do something. So भरी पब्लिक में जब आप if something happens to you like that, somebody gropes you or somebody does something to you, I'm not going to wait to go and file a complaint. I'm not that. I'm not going to wait for you to come and show up if I file a complaint. No, I know you touched me and I'm नहीं तो आते जाते मैं किसी का हाथ क्यों फोड़ूं या दांत क्यों फोड़ूं? मेरे को और कोई काम नहीं है क्या? But if you come at my way, I will destroy you. So the best thing to do for women and trans people, even boys, even men. You think boys are not, don't go through this?
Yeah.
In fact, boys go through this probably even more. Bullying and ragging.
And for them, there are very less outlays because there is no
Yes.
helpline also for men.
Absolutely. I think that we have to protect our children.
Yeah.
Whether they are boys, girls, any other orientation, gender, doesn't matter. You have to protect your children. And this whole facade, what happens is people who are predators,
Yeah.
these sick people, they're sick in the head. And I get very aggravated because I think there should be capital punishment, in my opinion. For people who outrage another's modesty and especially when they're children, when they are, I think it's a sick mentality. I think they are sick. They're clinically sick. So for me, I'm not going to feel any remorse. मला काही वाईट वाटणार नाही. माझ्या मुलांना, माझ्या बहिणींना, माझ्या भावांना तुम्ही हात लावून दाखवा. मी मारणार आणि मी 2दा विचारणार पण नाही. पोलीस येऊन मला बघणार मारताना पण. And then I'll go. Anyway, my thing is, if something has to happen, someone has to do something to your sister, or to you. Nowadays, nobody should feel that they are empowered or they are superior to another gender. That's another problem that happens. That we feel that men should protect us. Should protect us from whom? Men only, na?
Yeah.
Like, instead of which, work on yourself. Work on yourself. Work on your immediate environment. When something wrong is happening, take a stand. I have seen so many people, so many videos on the internet where something is happening, people are just walking. It's crazy.
Yeah. They wait
What
for
has the
that.
world come to?
They wait for that one person to reach out so that they can then go
Even
and
then
join
they
that
don't.
one person.
Even then they don't. I've seen it. So, and then there are people who are, like, they are, I think, an avatar of the Almighty, that they'll come and save somebody. But very far and few
Yeah.
you will see like that. I have personally noticed, when I had said this on another podcast also, when I fell off a train once when I was going to college, I fell while trying to get in, right? That the patri aste na, and there is a gap between the train and the patri, the platform. So much Marathi comes out, sorry. I have to curb it, knowing that बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो
Yeah.
शायद मराठी या इंग्लिश नहीं
भावना
जानते.
पोचल्या we can go.
So I tripped and my one leg fell in that gap.
Damn.
And my one leg was up. And I was trying to, but I couldn't because माझा bag होतं आणि माझे books होते. No, like literally there have been men, women, doesn't matter, or trans people. There have been people getting in that train when I'm in the middle, like they stepped on my hand and gone. Inside, they're seeing me, they didn't help. One woman, she was a teacher. She threw her books and her bag and she picked me, but she was not physically capable of pulling me alone. So there was this kinnar, there was this trans woman. Very emotional. She was drinking tea, she threw the cup and she literally, I'll never forget this because I was crying. Because at that time you feel so helpless, like, you know, you're in the middle of, you know, and then of course I had dislocated my, like, anyway, what happened with my back and stuff was, that was physical. But you know, my mental thing was that how have people gotten so inhuman that they will see somebody suffering in front of them, and you know, not one person would come, but that woman who was elderly, she was not young, she just put her pallu at the back and she was trying to pull me, and then this Didi came, she was transgender, and she threw her, and she just threw, literally in her I saw Shiv Shakti, you know, I saw the power in her. She just असा हात, म्हणजे आम्ही असं कसे, you know how you just move a fly like that. There were two guys who were doing nothing in front of me. She just pushed them like sat karke, and then she just told that auntie to just move at the back. The way she pulled me up, you know, that ma'am was pothing. She was like asking people to help. And this was not even like somebody's attacking me. It was just a,
Yeah.
you know, it could happen to anyone.
An
So I
accident.
felt very bad. But then I also, there is you. And then there were a lot of people who came, largely women, who came to help. And then there was 2-3 boys that came and, you know, went and got water and stuff like that. But I came up, they put me up, the train went, the people who had to get on went and went on with their lives. And that's when I realized that, okay, so you have to be, that moment taught me that you have to be self-sufficient. You have to know that there may or may not be people who will help you. So that's why physically, mentally, spiritually, I'm on a different journey now, you know, where I'm trying to align myself with the universe. So somebody's opinion, a person's opinion about me, a person's negative remark about me, stands no chance in my inner peace. There is no chance for their judgment or their, ते काय बोलणार, लोग क्या कहेंगे. And my father taught me कि लोग क्या कहेंगे ना, the sentence you can say it in 2 ways. लोग क्या कहेंगे या फिर लोग क्या कहेंगे. क्या कहेंगे लोग, जो मुझे ऑलरेडी पता नहीं है मेरे बारे में. It's like if you call me a trans person and, you know, and use chakka and all these words to kind of derogatory, you know, in a way derogatory, put me down. It's like me saying, अबे ये मर्द थोड़ी गाली है, वैसे किन्नर थोड़ी गाली होती है, ट्रांस थोड़ी गाली होती है, ये तो समुदाय है.
I think it's always
आपने इज्जत नहीं की तो वो आपकी इग्नोरेंस दिखाती है.
I think
ना, मेरा क्या है?
it's always the ego that we talk to. I'll tell you one incident. So whenever we are like we're driving a car or we're riding a bike, we all have these road rage accidents every day, right?
That's why I don't drive.
Yeah. So
I drive people crazy.
that's what we already know. But expanding on that, so whenever something like that happens, someone like goes by you, like और धक्का मार के चला जाता है गाड़ी को, आप गाली दे देते हो, माँ की, बहन की, दे दी गाली. बट कभी वो दिल पे नहीं लगती, बिकॉज पीपल आर फमीलियर विद दैट. पीपल आर लाइक दैट, इट्स ओके, हाँ बोल दिया मैंने, मेरी गलती हो गई, ये बोल के चला गया, मैं चला जाता हूँ. वी फॉरगेट, वी टेंड टू फॉरगेट. बट देयर वाज दिस वन टाइम someone else did it to me and I simply said ए बेवकूफ. I said बेवकूफ. He stopped. He came all the way back to me and he's like, क्या बेवकूफी बोला. It's always us talking to the ego of the human beings.
Yes, I agree completely.
And you never know what strikes.
What will hit them?
What triggers.
Yes.
Oh God. What else do you know in terms of the community, in terms of what she represents, what she's trying to empower? तुम्हें कुछ idea है इसके बारे में? बताओ.
इन्हें सब आइडिया है बाबा, मैं तो डरती हूँ. मेरी भांजी, मेरे जो भाई बहन के जो बच्चे हैं, इनके उम्र के हैं, और मुझे बहुत सीखने मिलता है उनसे, उनके साथ बैठ के जब मैं बैठती हूँ, जब हम बात करते हैं ना, आई लर्न अ लॉट. सो प्लीज टेल अस.
Unfiltered.
अभी मुझे बताओ, अब हम सुनेंगे.
Like she has the perspective कि you should not judge art on the basis of gender. कि अरे ये तो मेल है, अरे ये तो फीमेल है. मतलब I've heard people saying, I personally do stand-up comedy, but I'm not doing it lately. But still, people used to say, अरे लड़कियाँ थोड़ी ना कॉमेडी में होती. So you should not define art on the basis of gender कि अरे ये लड़का है, ये लड़की है. Just enjoy it ना. Why you are just running behind the artist कि अरे ये तो ऐसा है, ये वैसा है. You don't see the efforts they are putting. You don't see the thing, the real art which they are representing. You don't see it. अरे यार इसने ये तो ऐसी है, ये तो ऐसा है, ये तो ऐसा है. People focus on that. मतलब you don't care. You just want to, like, if I am there, okay, so people used to just think अरे ये थोड़ी ऐसे ऐसे पागलपंती करती है, ये ऐसी है, ये वैसी है. People don't see my jokes. People see me. अरे इसके बाल हमेशा खुल जाते हैं. People are like, तू तेल नहीं लगाती? How do I tell them कि मेरे बाल ही इतने सिल्की है?
Oh!
And then they're like, यार तेरी शेंडी बड़ी सूखी सूखी लग रही है. यार क्या है ये? हेयर फॉल हो रहा है क्या? मतलब while I'm standing on the stage, they tell all these comments.
But what if someone is not an artist, just a normal person, not an artist, and suppose I'm a corporate employee.
मजदूर.
नहीं, employee, not
मजदूर.
मजदूर. I'm a corporate मजदूर, पकड़ लो. And but I'm a trans male. Okay. And now मेरे जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ी रियलिटी ये है कि मैं वो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग है ही नहीं मेरी जिंदगी में. तो क्या फिर तो लोग उसको जो बोलेंगे वो तो ऑफेंड होगा ही. मुझे कुछ भी बोलेंगे तो मैं ऑफेंड होगा ही, बिकॉज मेरे लाइफ में और कुछ ऐसा कुछ एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट है ही नहीं
मतलब
जिसके थ्रू मैं अपनी पहचान बनाऊं.
you know ना you're doing something and you feel कि हाँ this is right. You chose it. Why did you choose it? You felt ना कि हाँ यार this is good. You did not think from your mind, did you? No. From your heart it came, right? So मतलब you know ना what you are doing. You know no need to listen to people. I mean मतलब do anything you want. मतलब लोग तो कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. अगर तुम ही सोच के बैठ जाओगे अरे यार ऐसे कहते हैं, कहने दो. You know ना what you are doing. You know it. Then if you lose even if you like now they are criticizing you. अरे यार तू ऐसा है, तू वैसा है, तू ऐसा है क्या, तू ऐसा है क्या. Like I've seen reels. People are taking it as a joke. कि अरे यार ये तो ऐसा है भाई. I've seen comments.
जेंडर को लोग सीरियसली लेते हैं, दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. बट या आई एम गेटिंग योर पॉइंट, व्हाट यू ट्राइंग टू से. वो पर्सनल लेवल पे शी इज सेइंग. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट हर इन टर्म्स ऑफ हर परसेप्शन ऑफ दिस?
I think it's perfect, but I think that, you know, when you say that if a trans male person is in the workforce, according to what my academic prowesses are, I would have been in, I would be heading the HR department or the L&D department in some big corporation or company. But the fact that I got that degree and I'm in that office is my biggest win. वही मेरी कला है. मेरी कला ये है कि मैं एक प्रोडक्टिव मेंबर हूँ इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए. तो वो तो नॉट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई जेंडर ना. वो तो मैंने इंटरव्यूज़ दिए हैं, मैंने इंटरव्यूज़ पास किए हैं. I have sat for the interview, I have aced it, I have given all the required qualifications for this job. So that in itself is much more than my gender. So I should not be judged, as she said, or you should not be, or you should not be. Nobody should be judged on the gender for anything. In terms of how productive you can be as a citizen of any country or society, right? Because now, for example, if you're a teacher, you don't have to be a certain. ये भी होता है ना कि teachers usually female होनी
होते
चाहिए.
हैं.
यार मेरे तो संस्कृत सर, मेरे तो हिंदी के टीचर जो थे वो मेल थे. धर्म शिक्षा जो हमें सिखाते थे वो मेल थे. म्यूज़िक के टीचर हमारे मेल थे. सो वी हैड सो मेनी. केमिस्ट्री वी हैड a male sir. Statistics we had male. So who is talking about all these things? ये हमारे perceptions हम जब build करते हैं, that is the biggest disservice we are doing to an entire community and an entire society. I think we need to change the narrative. You see, so there will always be in every generation kids, children, people that will want a more equitable playing ground for everyone. And she could sit here and say that I'm a woman. I don't care. At 11, if she gets this, you see so many people that start panting and start hyperventilating about stuff like this. It's very easy. You don't understand it, keep moving. Keep it moving. It's not for everybody to understand maybe. But for you to pass a judgment, are you the Supreme Court of this country? No. Keep it moving.
Does the community really require pronouns?
See, for some people, it is a very important aspect of them. For some other people, it's not the only thing that, defines them. So it's again very subjective. Now, I don't think a pronoun completely and fully justifies the person I am or the being I am. So I go with all pronouns. Whatever makes you happy, whatever makes me dinner table conversation, whatever makes you consume my content, do it. मुझे कुछ भी बुलाओ, मेरा content देखना, गाने देखो, और वो देख के ही तो trending होते हैं ना. So देख के ही you get called for to sort of have concerts, and these are the people that buy the tickets to watch you. Your people. These are your people. And the people that don't, even if you abided by gender binaries, they would still not come to watch your concert.
Right.
So please don't give a damn about them. That's my mantra.
I think there is a portion of men who are afraid of having conversations with someone from the community just because they think that they will be judged if I say something wrong.
Well, but the same internet connection or the data pack that they have to scroll nonsense, they can also scroll as to how to educate themselves.
Yeah.
And not be scared. So I'm not going to give anybody the benefit of doubt for anything. I told you, I am that person कि अगर मैं अपने आप को हाय बेचारी नहीं समझती तो किसी और को भी नहीं समझती. मैं आप देखोगे मेरी कम्युनिटी को भी पोअर थिंग्स कभी नहीं बोलती. तुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, चल कहाँ करनी है, क्या कोर्स करना है. You'll see in my post, I keep educating. तुम ट्रांसजेंडर हो, मर्द हो, औरत हो, my gender can never fully define me. I'm so much more than my gender. I'm so much more than my pronouns. As are you. Do you enter a room and say, hi, I'm Siddesh and I'm male?
Yeah.
Have you ever felt the need to say that? Or does she say that I'm a girl? Why? You don't have to say it, so why should I? Why should everything revolve around my gender?
Then what should be the kids taught at this age?
I think
If they are not considering, like Sneha is pretty much aware, but there are so many kids from tier 2. I'm not just even tier 2.
I would say that parents can choose to, till a certain extent and an age, how much the child should consume. And then after that, I think it depends on free will. Once a child turns 16, 18, 20, they will anyway choose what they want to consume.
Yeah.
Trust me, I have kids also. They range between 18 to in their 30s. So, and
And these are the kids you have adopted?
yes, like I have sort of sheltered them, given them love, and as a mother, and they're mine as much they are their biological mothers. So
How did you
sometimes I feel very bad that some of their mothers don't accept them, and that is, I'll tell you what, it's their mother's loss. It's that woman's loss, because they're wonderful children. They're wonderful kids. And you know what? A woman is not a mother unless she has a child. बिन बच्चे की तू औरत है ना. ये बोलते थे, it is written that a child gives birth to a mother. Other than that, if you don't have a child, you're a woman.
Yeah.
You're a person.
Yeah.
A child gives birth to a father also, right? Till then, you're just a man. The child, when that child comes into your life, you understand parenthood, you understand responsibility, you understand unconditional love. You will understand that as a parent. And if you don't, you are the most unfortunate person that walks this planet. If you have disowned your child, if you have abused your child, if you have caused any sort of trauma to your own child, you are the most unfortunate. आपको बार बार जन्म लेने पड़ेंगे, इतनी बुरी कर्मा है आपकी. So you'll have to keep coming back. So I have realized that I'm to clearing in a way, you know what Kali Ma does is she clears your debts, your karma debts. You know, whatever जो आपके कर्मा हैं वो clear करती हैं. In a way, I think, I guess that मैं उनके डेट्स क्लियर कर रही हूँ जो पैदा करते हैं बट माँ बाप बन नहीं पाते.
That's beautiful. And you are surrounding yourself with them on a daily basis.
Yeah, I don't have a choice. They're always there around me. And
Every
I love
mother
them
ever.
as much as sometimes I have to be like, now I need 2 hours by myself. Otherwise I'll go mad. I'm sure her mother also feels like this. And I'm sure my mother also feels like, I'm sure her grandmother also feels like that about her mother.
Yeah.
So all of us have, and if you have wonderful parents, and if you have, see, not every person, and I want to say this, that don't take your parents for granted. जब भी मम्मी पापा का फ़ोन आता है ना, तब हम कैंसिल करते हैं. We'll be like, नहीं, हम क्लासेस में हैं, यहाँ पर हैं, वहाँ पर हैं, and then you'll be like, I look so cool by disconnecting the phone. My God, so irritating. Mommy, stop. I just want to say that pick up that call, because there are so many people in this world that crave for that call from their and they don't have that. They don't have their parents with them anymore, or they've never had the love of a parent. So please answer that call. Please give as much love as you're getting, even more. When you get love, if you get 10%, you should multiply it and make it 100, so that people know. Like, so many people ask me, how do you keep going? How do you keep? I was like, just because one person said something bad about me, there are 99 people who are saying good. Should I ignore all those 99? That's not fair. There are so many people who will be like, मैंने comment section में देखा है कि मुझे हमें गाली तो देनी है, बट बहुत talented है और हमारे लोग अभी तक आए नहीं यहाँ पर. मैंने कहा तुम्हारे लोग आए हैं, उन्होंने भी हार्ट्स और थम्स अप दिए हैं, आप वो देखिए. और तुम्हारे लोग कौन है? तुम्हारे और हमारे लोग कौन है? लोग हैं, हमारे लोग हैं सब. आप see who is making this demarcation? Not us. हमको अलग किया जाता है. हम थोड़ी ऐसे जानबूझ के हमारे मर्जी से अलग थोड़ी होते हैं. Society से then people are like, नहीं आप society. It's very easy to say this to the girl who comes and asks you for money on the street. It's very easy to say, चलो तुम काम करो ना, हाथ पैर हैं तुम्हारे, ये है, दिमाग चल रहा है ठीक से, 2 आँख हैं, 2 कान है, ये सब. It's very easy to say. And when she reverses it and says that, will you give me jobs? Will you give me as much as I'm earning and more? There are girls on the street that will talk to you in English.
Yeah.
Because they've been asked to leave their houses after the 9th standard, after 10th standard. So they've been educated till 10th. Are you taking the responsibility? Then you have the right to say what you want.
Yeah.
Are you as educated as me? As a 90% of the people who pass bad commentary on me are not as well to do today are not paying as, let's just say, the modest way of saying it is, I pay a lot of tax, which means I make a lot of money. And that's because I work very hard. So if you're going to match that and be able to sit on a table, have a conversation, then you're welcome in the room that I'm in. Otherwise, don't even try me. क्योंकि यहाँ ये ना मैं यहाँ पे रखती हूँ. I'm like, उधर भी तुम नहीं आ सकते अगर मैं ना चाहूँ. So जसं ते बोलतात ना, ते ठाट असते ना, ते मी माझ्या पदरात घेऊन चालते. मी जेव्हा पदर खाली करणार, माझं पल्लू में गिराऊंगी, वो मैं गिराऊंगी. नहीं तो मैं पिन से अटकाती हूँ. हवा के झोंके आते जाते रहते हैं. वो जब हम गिराएंगे वो हम गिराएंगे और तब तमाशा होगा. And that we don't want to do. So why do you want it?
When you start doing things, people criticize you, but when you are successful, they'll come back to you. अरे मुझे तो पता था you will do that.
I have seen that.
Trust me when I say this, you will be successful. I knew it.
Give me.
I knew it.
इनको अवार्ड दो भैया.
गजरा लेके आओ यार. और
यही है, जैसे बैठी हम तो आपके प्रवचन में आएंगे, है ना? Like she is so at such a young age. She's 11 and she knows everything. She knows so much of life, and which even so many people double her age, triple her age.
Do you have any questions for her?
What was going on in your head when you saw and met Usha Uthup?
Wow.
You know, when I met her the first time I met her, I'm going to perform with her in 4 days now.
Let's go.
But the first time I saw her actually was in a club, and I was 16.
What?
And I was not allowed to be there, but I wore a hoodie and I sneaked in.
No, Usha Uthup was in a club.
Yeah. She was singing in a club.
Like how? It was you were 16.
I was 16.
Oh, interesting.
She started off singing in a nightclub.
Oh, I did not know
I
that.
started my career in a nightclub.
Where, Mumbai or?
In Delhi.
Wow, interesting.
And then I went to many cities all around the country and then abroad. But when I met Usha Ma, the first time I saw her and I didn't know, I could not move. You know, I was like, ऐसा होता है ना, जब when you only seen someone on television, आपने उनके गाने सुने हैं, but आप जब उनको पहली बार देखते हो ना, I was mesmerized.
My reaction when I saw you.
Oh. मेरे को तो भूल ही गया लग रहा है इस पॉडकास्ट में.
यार.
तो ये नहीं यार, हम तुमको कैसे भूल सकते. So तब मुझे ऐसा एहसास हुआ कि wow, I'm in the same room as Usha Uthup, the legend, right? And I couldn't meet her because I was hiding my age. I didn't have an ID card. I just wanted to see her in person. मेरे दर्शन हो गए, मैं निकल गई वहाँ से. Then when I was 18, the day I turned 18, I told my mother, please आप कुछ भी करके, आप कुछ भी करो और मुझे उषा माँ से मिलाओ. तो my mother's like, ये तो you've never asked about anyone. I was never crazy like that about people. Only Rekha ji and Usha Uthup at that time, because I had seen her live performing one song and I had to run. And I went to meet her. I met her. She hugged me. I touched her feet. And I was listening to her. वो अपना sound check कर रही थी mic पे. और मैंने गाना सुना. Then I was like, my God, I can't believe I'm sitting in front of the mic when she's checking her sound check. मैंने सोचा था कि शायद ट्रैक बज रहा है, वो सिर्फ लिप सिंग कर रही हैं. She sang live for the whole sound check. People only check 2-3 songs sometimes. She checked a whole set.
Oh.
And I sat through all that full 1.5 hours. I sat there. And I was just in awe. Like, she didn't take a break, no water, nothing.
Jhum Jhum Baba gaya?
All the songs. Ramba ho, all that. Then, Jhum 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 Baba. Eh. Then, प्यार करने वाले प्यार करते हैं शान से, जीते हैं शान से, मरते हैं शान से. And then the other one, दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से. So all those songs she was singing, and I was getting goosebumps. Then she started singing English songs. She sang Frank Sinatra. She sang all of these legends. She sang the Beatles. She sang Mohammad Rafi Sahab. ये सारे गाने गाने शुरू कर दिए. And I didn't know how to react because इतनी versatility एक इंसान में और इतने सारी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशंस मैंने कभी सुनी नहीं थी. तो लाइव वो भी. हाँ, ऐसे ये मेरी गुरु हैं. आज से मैं इन्हें गुरु मानती हूँ, चाहे ये हमें शिष्य माने ना माने, ये मेरी गुरु आज से. तो उस दिन उन्होंने मुझे फिर बुलाया स्टेज पे, एंड शी सेड दैट योर मदर टेल्स मी दैट यू सिंग. शी स्पीक्स लाइक दैट. ओके, योर मदर टोल्ड मी दैट यू सिंग. आई सेड yes, but I've never sung like this in such a beautiful theater and an auditorium like this. Okay, today you sing. I said, what? So she told me, tracks laye ho? Have you got your tracks? I said, no, but she's like, okay, YouTube Zindabad. So she went to YouTube. She told her manager, she said, find the tracks that she wants to sing. I sang Whitney Houston's I Will Always Love You. And I sang Saving All My Love for You by Whitney
Oh,
Houston.
beautiful.
And when I sang, there was this part where, and I will always love you, love you. It's that high, right? And I will always love you, darling, I love you. I'll always love you. So that whole song, when I finished, and she told me, I was shivering. मुझे इतना डर लग रहा था क्योंकि there were about 1,500 people. I had never sung in such an audience. So she told me, whenever you get scared or you get nervous, close your eyes. Imagine that you're singing in the bathroom. Bathroom singer. Okay, and I sang, and when I opened my eyes, people were giving me a standing ovation. तो वो मेमोरी मेरे लिए सबसे खास होगी. और आज वो एक दिन है जहाँ पर मैं टूर कर रही हूँ उषा माँ के साथ.
Wow.
इंडिया टूर कर रही हूँ.
Beautiful.
तो
yeah.
कभी भी ड्रीम करना बंद मत करो, क्योंकि ड्रीम को रियलिटी बनाने में भी आपका ही हाथ है, या मेरा तो गला था. पर never stop believing in your
But this is your first tour with Usha ji.
Yes.
Wow.
I performed with her.
Yeah, I have seen a video of.
Yes.
Yeah.
Many times, but this is my first tour.
Wow.
And the last 3 cities were packed. Like we had to actually request people not to come inside because we would have got arrested, because वो capacity नहीं थी उस ऑडिटोरियम या उस अरीना की capacity ही नहीं थी उतनी.
I was about to say stadium.
Stadium तो नहीं किया, but that sort of a thing where we did, and one we did in a ballroom sort of a thing, and yeah, So a lot of people didn't know about the art form of drag. You know, drag क्या है? You know, ये क्या drag है? ये क्या कपड़े पहन के कोई भी कुछ भी कर रहा है and all that. And drag is an art form which Indian artists have been doing for years, thousands of years. Whether it is Kuchipudi, whether it is Kathakali, whether it is Bharatnatyam, whether it is you know, during plays where men portray female characters, this is all drag. Even on television, when you see the comedy shows that you see, when men dress up as women, when women dress up as men, that's all drag.
Can you please sing बीड़ी जलाई?
क्या रिकमेंडेशन किया है? मैं तो नियत खराब है बोलने वाला था.
सुनिधि चौहान सुन के ही वही आता है.
बीड़ी जलाइले जिगर से पिया, जिगर मां बड़ी आग है, डांग डिंग डिंग डांग डिंग डिंग डांग डिंग डिंग. ओ बीड़ी जलाइले जिगर से पिया, जिगर मां बड़ी आग है.
ब्यूटीफुल.
सुनिधि चौहान की ट्विन सिस्टर मिल गई.
इसीलिए तो मेरी डेब्यू बॉलीवुड में उन्हीं के साथ हुई ना.
So I wanted to ask you something crazy.
Oh my god.
मतलब if you act in a movie, okay, and your like movie का first day first show, then will you go sneak in the theater sitting on the first row का first seat, and then when the movie ends, hey guys,
Yeah.
will you do that?
क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो कि आइडिया दे रहे हो यार?
I did it. How did you know this? Did you see some story that I did it? I did it. I did it for thank you for coming.
Oh, you have done it.
Yeah, I've done it
Wow.
already, but I didn't do all this drama. I nice idea. Nice idea. Hollywood debut के लिए करूँगा. Hollywood में
With Tom Cruise.
Amen. Let's manifest that here.
Tom Cruise तो नहीं. हाँ.
Tom Cruise is overrated.
नहीं वो तो हमें पता नहीं. इज अ गुड एक्टर ऑफ कोर्स, इज ग्रेट. हमारे टाइम का तो था ही वो, टॉम क्रूज है ही. बट शायद कोई और ना, या मैं ही हीरो बन जाती हूँ. ये बोलते रहते हैं ना डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग्स, गो बैक टू डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग्स. दैट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया स्नेहा.
डायरेक्टर्स को जाके बोल दो लाइक मैं दोनों का काम कर लूंगी, मुझे किसका भी रोल दे दो, पैसे बच जाएंगे आपके, दे दो.
मैं वही ये सब मेरे सारे इंटरव्यूज देखिए लगता है.
Efficiency in acting.
मैं सब बोलते, मैं पता है कि डायरेक्टर को क्या बोलूं.
अजय अतुल मला काम दे ना प्लीज. Yes guys, Ajay Atul sir, please.
This is the second request.
Yes,
Ajay
guys.
sir, Atul sir, please make it happen. We are dying to see it happen.
करा हो मी तर आता तर माझी आवाज आणखीन मजबूत झाली.
हा, आणि you're missing out on the Kohinoor. That's all I can say.
मला वाटतं देणार. मला वाटतं
No, that is going to happen.
हो.
We are just
नाही, बघा,
pushing
हे
it.
काय असतं ना, ते एक पद्धत असते, प्रकार असतं. म्हणजे तुमची आवाज पण तयार असायला पाहिजे. अजय अतुल सारख्या म्हणजे इतक्या दिग्गज जे आपले आर्टिस्ट आहेत, जे लेजंड्स आहेत आम्ही बोलतात त्यांना, त्यांचे गाणे गायला तुम्ही पण रेडी
Mentally ready हवं आहे. Yeah.
यू हॅव टू बी ऑन अ सर्टन लेवल. अँड आय थिंक दॅट see, look at the people that have sung also na. Shreya Ghoshal, Bela Tai, Shende, Arya Ambekar.
Yeah.
Come on, what is that level? I mean, look, have you heard Arya just sing? And I get goosebumps when I listen to Arya. I listen to Bela Tai. काय गायली आहे म्हणजे काय आहे. वैशाली ताई.
But do you think...
Both Vaishali, Made and Samant.
But for you, don't you think it's a challenge? Because...
Of course it is a challenge.
It's a different thing for you.
Yeah.
Because you have to challenge yourself to the different extent when it comes to
Yes.
tonality.
Absolutely, and that's
Yeah.
fine. I like to, if I didn't like challenges, do you think I would sit here and be this? I would have been in some on the desk doing some
Yeah.
boring job.
Yeah.
And मैं कोसती रहती अपने आप को कि क्यों नहीं गाई तू. उस दिन क्यों नहीं गाई उषा उत्तुप के सामने. मैं कोसती रहती. क्या फायदा इतना गहना इस देश ने पाया है. मैं तो अपने आप को बहुत ही कूल समझती हूँ, है कि नहीं? हूँ ना.
Because I'll tell you, the
भूल
more,
के भी ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर.
but I think the more I try to sing I have tried singing in a female voice for a play, and
अरे he mimics ना.
I mimic also, like
हाँ.
sometimes when
I've seen him mimicking क्या धर्मेंद्र.
कभी कभी आ जाता है, but
कभी
I've
कभी
tried
आ
in a
जाता है,
female
yes.
voice and
कभी
it
कभी
has shook me from within. So I'm like, कैसे कर लेते हो भाई? I don't get it. And
इवन आय डोंट गेट इट. मी तुला एक सांगू, सॉरी, माझं मराठी म्हणजे त्याला बघूनच,
होऊन जाऊ दे.
मराठी लोकांना बघूनच म्हणजे ते आपोआप
सबटायटल्स आहे
कसं
आपल्याकडे,
माहिती,
टेन्शन नाही.
पडतच नाही, म्हणजे कळतच नाही कसं आलं निघालं काय झालं.
एडिटर,
तर असं आहे. सो
प्रतीक सर.
हा, आशाताई 91 आणि काय कॉन्सर्ट्स करते ती 3-3 तासाचे. हा, इट्स नॉट अ जोक.
Yeah.
हे काय मजाक नाहीये. तो यू इमॅजिन 91 year old. आणि मी बघितलंय हे, आय वॉज गोइंग टू अब्यूज, देन आय रिअलाइज जे आहेत कार्टून
आजकालचे
आजकालचे मुलं आणि मुली, म्हणजे माझ्या वयाचे पण माझ्यापेक्षा छोटे पण, काय ते असतं ते करत राहतात, ते वेपिंग. आणि 2 गाणे झाले त्याच्यानंतर असं मी म्हटलं, बाई हे काय झालंय, हे तू ठीक आहेस ना, म्हणजे मी डॉक्टर बोलवायचं का, असं झालंय त्यांची. म्हणजे त्यांचं स्टॅमिनाच नाही आहे थोडे लोकांचे. दुसरे लोक असं काय आहे, झोप आली आहे, काय झालंय, भूक लागली आहे, पाजू का मॅगी, पाजू का चाय बनवू का, काय चाललंय हे. तर तसं असं असतं की ठीक आहे, थोडे लोक, you know, some I don't want to name, but some people, they are working like that also. People are like, wow. Yeah, Arijit and all will be thinking, you know, his intrusive thought should not win. Sonu sir, Arijit, these are legends. They are Shan sir. When KK sir was there, Kunal Ganjawala is there.
सोनू निगम.
सोनू सर तो बोल दिया पहले ही बाबा. हाँ, उनका तो है.
Do you remember Tismar Khan?
Yeah, my
The title
God.
song. He sang it all.
I know.
Oh
Can
my
you believe
God.
it? Even that Tismar Khan.
Oh my God.
So, and even he sings in a female voice. Huh?
Yes, he
Sonu
does
sir.
so beautifully.
So, you know, this is a versatility that you can't really. मला तर कधी कधी मी बघते, मला वाटतं यार ये क्या है, कौन है, आर दे एंड मी द सेम स्पीशीज,
Yeah.
and are they and these people who are right now singing like this. मला तरी मी बघून मला थोडं असं भीती पण वाटते की where are we going.
But the youth is liking it. That's the scene.
But they're also liking, I mean, Arijit is singing, Shreya ma'am is there, Shreya Ghoshal is a legend, you know. And as I said, this generation mein you will find so many wonderful singers.
Sorry to ask this, but do you guys like memes?
Like memes?
Yeah. Who doesn't?
Yeah, I like. मेरे तो कितने memes बनते तो देखी है ना.
What is your favorite meme?
I don't.
Not of yours, but
No, it can be yours.
meme that was made about me. तूने pink पहना है तो तू क्या है? That one.
What is the context?
It was from Ranveer's podcast.
Oh.
तूने पिंक पहना है तो तू गे है. That one is my favorite.
You know-
of me.
you know how Ranveer lets.
तुला
He's
copyright
my
से
mentor,
ना-
यार.
Yeah, no, he's a darling.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
I love Ranveer. No, but जो है वो है.
No, he enjoys it. He embraces it, and we know that we do.
That's his style.
Yeah.
पण माझं ते फेवरेट होतं की असं की, आणि मी त्याला काय कॉन्टेक्स्ट मध्ये बोलत होती की जस्ट बिकॉज युअर वोन पिंक दॅट डजंट मेक यू गे, यु नो, बट दे ट्विस्टेड इट. पण हा ना काय ना काय क्रिएटिव्हिटी कुठे पण ते पण गटरात क्रिएटिव्हिटी त्यांची.
Because that is the language of the communication of this youth. You have any questions? Yeah.
Next time कब आ रहे हो?
I love it. I straight to the point. अभी दीदी आप आना घर, है ना? You come home. You all come home.
Done.
अभी एक बार मैं आई, अभी आपको आना पड़ेगा.
Done. Offline podcast.
Offline
Yes.
chats,
And we are
which
also
have no time limit.
excited to meet your kids.
Yes, you must.
Super excited.
One of my daughters got married just now.
Hey, beautiful.
Congratulations.
How does it feel to be a mother-in-law?
Who? My daughter got married. I didn't choose to be a mother.
Oh yeah. I'm just the inside the
Yeah.
tease game. Nothing
I
else.
am
guys.
also giving you very Kamalika vibes.
Let's do it.
No, he's very nice.
Kamalika.
He's a very nice guy. Very sweet son-in-law I have.
Nice.
And
Okay, how did you confirm that he is the right?
that's what I'm saying. ये आजकल की यूथ मानती है क्या कोई बात? करके आ गई शादी. अभी बेटी है तो मैं वो नहीं हूँ ना जो ऐसे मतलब नहीं आई डोंट लाइक एंड ऑल दिस. अपना लिया.
Very nice.
मैंने उसको पूछा चाय पियोगे? Then he was and I was like शिकोल नाही इसका त्याला चहाला कधी नाही म्हणायचं. मग तिने असं मारलं त्याला आणि म्हटलं या ओके. Said okay, now you can sit.
Did he say जेवलात काय?
No, he's Bengali.
Yeah.
We'll teach him.
जेवलात काय शिकवलं
जाल खाबो.
पाहिजे?
राती अर्ध्या राती अर्ध्या राती असं सोडून जायचं नाही. ते सगळं शिकणार तो.
And I'm pretty sure you're going to teach it in the most refined way.
बिलकुल
Yeah.
of course. He has to learn
Yeah.
the ways of life, of Marathi life.
Jai Maharashtra.
Jai Mara.
Jai Maharashtra. Do you want to leave this conversation with something, a compliment to Sneha and to yourself?
Yes, guys.
I just want to say that I am really touched and really happy to be in the presence of such a wonderful aura and such a beautiful person like yourself. I see Devi in you and please उसको बरकरार रखना है ना. जो आप बोलते हो ना लोगों को, आप भी वो करो. किसी की सुनना मत. आपको जो चाहिए करो. You achieve all your goals, all your dreams. Your mama is with you. I am there. He's there. We are all with you. Okay? Anything you need, you can call me and tell me whatever issue you have. Okay? And I just want to say thank you to you because I learned a lot from you today. So for that, I want to thank you. Because you never know, so many times, you think that a teacher will always be somebody who's older,
Yeah.
somebody who has lived more life than you. And sometimes it's just an 11-year-old lovely child that will teach you humanity.
और वाला मीम बोल दूं क्या?
बोलो.
+990000000000 और ये मेरे लास्ट एपिसोड का मीम एक्चुअली.
अच्छा.
उसने ऐसा aura points दिए आपको.
Oh,
हाँ.
so aura.
So
Her
that-
aura is, that's what I
So
said.
that आप aura हो.
The aura.
Yeah.
और आजा.
This is the beginning of a long, lasting relationship that we are going to share.
And because we are getting late, I'm going to sing one last Marathi.
Let's go. I mean, that is why we are here.
Marathi.
Let's go.
माझं एक नख तुटलं. हे घे, पकड. Save it, huh?
That was a nail biting performance.
Yes.
Yes, guys. स्वर्ग में अपने आप को फील करने के लिए रेडी हो जाइए.
वाजले की 12 होऊन जाऊ दे.
होऊन जाऊ दे.
होऊन जाऊ दे.
वाजले की 12. किती वाजले रे? चला. हो चैत्र पुणवीची रात आज आली भरात. धड धड काळ्या सात माझ्या माईना. कधी कव कुठ कस जीव झालं येडपीस. त्याच नाही भरवस तोल राहीना. राखली की मर्जी तुमच्या जोडीनं मी आले. फिरते छाया रंगीराया चिंबोली मी झाले. राया सोडा तरी कळवेळ नाही भरे. पुन्हा भेटू कवतरी साजना. मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आता वाजले की 12 मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आता वाजले की 12 हा हा जी 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 जी
Let's go. Best way to end this podcast.
Fab.
Thank you so much. Thank you
very
so much. You are a sweetheart, as I already extracted from the way you carry yourself. And
Thank you.
आल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
रिलेशनशिप वाढत जाईल पण त्याआधी स्नेहा हॅज गॉटन समथिंग फॉर यू.
Sneha has got a gift for us.
What is it? Okay. Let's go. This is for
Me?
Shan? Okay. उनका दिखा दो.
Keep going. Namaste. Rani, you've come a long way ahead. Hira ho tum. You are unbeatable. Slay. I love it. So sweet. And that is my picture. How lovely. ये मेरा रेखा जी का ट्रिब्यूट था
Beautiful.
उमराव जान वाला ना.
Beautiful.
10 कैमरा आ रहे मुंह पे, किसको देख के कर
Now get used to it. ऐसे.
मेरा वाला तो
Now
बड़ा
get
है.
used
Oh
to
my god, ये मेरे बाद में मेरे लिए तो बहुत कुछ लिखा है बट मैं बाद में पढ़ूंगा. थैंक यू स्नेहा.
So sweet. Thank you, darling. Thank you. All the best to you. All the best.
Great.
कीप गोइंग अहेड.
And you too.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching. Cut.